How to make slime with Savannah. Hi, and as you can tell in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Let's get started! So for the ingredients, you'll need some borax, shaving foam, contact lens solution, PVA glue, tablespoon, teaspoon and a pot to make your slime in. So you'll need the PVA glue and just pour some into your pot. Okay. Oh, and I forgot that I'm going to put in green food colouring, and you can use glitter, but I'm not going to use glitter, and you only need a small little bit. That will be enough. And now you'll get your tablespoon and just mix it to the colour, and if you need more then you can do more if you want. And now you're going to add in your shaving cream. And now just mix. And now you'll need a teaspoon of borax. Okay. And just need to mix again. And just a few drops of contact lens solution. And then just mix so it goes together, comes together into slime. And if you're still runny like mine, then you just have to add in a few more drops at a time with this. As you can see, it's coming together a bit more. And keep adding in when you need more. So I kept adding in some of this and mixing it, and as you can see, it's like taking some of the excess off the sides and it's sticking into the actual slime. And when it's at this consistency, make sure that it doesn't stick to your hands, but if it does, then add more of the contact lens solution. And as you can see, it's like coming off the side because it's sticky, so then it'll get the slime off the edge. And on, if it's like on my fingers, it can come off. And keep playing with it until you want. And I'm going to add 2 more drops because it's still a bit sticky. So I'm going to put some more of the contact lens solution so it comes off me. So if I was to hold it for long, it would come off. But then if it sticks to you, then you just get the slime and get it off. And then it comes off. Just keep playing with it. Maybe do a 12 thingy. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to make slime. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!